Hello, everybody. My name is Paul Rigney. I'm coming to you from Austin, Texas, in USA. This is week 5 of music production, the introduction of by Loudon Stearns. Today I'm going to be doing an example of mirror EQ, and I'm going to be mirroring a kick drum and a bass guitar. So let's take a listen to our example, and then we'll add some EQs. All right, there's our example without EQ, and as you can tell, we got a lot of rumble. Kick and the bass aren't very definitive. They kind of wash out. So let's add some EQ to our kick drum first. Here we go. We're going to start with a high-pass filter on the kick drum. It's going to start around 250 hertz. This is going to eliminate all the noise in the low end of the kick and actually some of the emphasis of the kick. We're going to be giving that to the bass guitar. We also have a low pass filter on here starting around 9,000, and this is going to eliminate some of the noise of the kick, some of the unnecessary sound for a kick drum. So let's take a listen to this. The drums with the without the kick EQ'd, and then we're going to EQ the kick and see if we can hear the difference. Okay, difference is pretty good to me. We lose a lot of the noise. The kick becomes more defined, and there's definitely less rumble. So let's add our bass guitar back in. And what we're going to do with the EQ on the bass is we're going to add a high pass filter. Once again, we're going to eliminate everything below, in this case, 74 hertz. We're going to just get rid of the noise. We're going to leave the rumble. I want a little bit of rumble on the bottom of my bass guitar. And then we're going to put a low pass filter starting at about 10,000, and we're just going to cut off some of the high end noise of the bass guitar. So let's listen to the example. We've got the EQ already going for the kick drum and the drums, and then we're going to add the bass guitar. There's our example with adding EQ to the bass guitar. It just cleaned up the bass, took a little bit of the rumble and noise off the low end of the bass, some of the unnecessary noise, and then defined it a little better. So we're going to listen to both the kick and the bass guitar without the EQs one more time, and then we'll listen to it with the EQ, and that's mirror EQ. Hang on, and here we go. That's without EQ. And this is with mirror EQ. And that's mirror EQ. Thank you very much for listening this week, and we'll see you next week.